Open the cover. Remove the toner cartridge. Inside the printer there is a paper feed rollers assembly. I warn you, it could be difficult to remove and above all, install the paper rollers assembly. First, to remove the paper rollers, I suggest you to try to clean the rubber rollers with alcohol. On the bottom of the printer there are 2 arrows. Remove the 2 screws that you find in the holes indicated by the arrows. I removed the side panels of the printer to better show you the procedure. Now you can remove the paper rollers assembly. Slide it to the right and remove it. In some models it's easier to remove it from the paper cassette opening. Taking apart the rollers assembly, remove the metal spring. Release the tab. Lift up the 2 paper rollers. Remove the bushing. Slide out the rod of the first roller. Remove the first paper roller. Remove the other paper roller. Reinsert the rod. Replace the paper roller. Install the other paper roller. Insert the rod. Reinstall the bushing. Install the 2 rollers in the support. Reinstall the metal spring. Now the difficult part, the reinstallation of the assembly. Here you can see a cross. It must be inserted into the crossed rod inside the printer. The pins on the top of the assembly must be in their holes in the metal bar in this way. Holding the assembly in position with one hand, reinsert the 2 screws. You'll need a strong magnetic screwdriver. Once you insert the first screw, the second screw will be easier. Reinstall the toner cartridge and the work is done.